friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Spider-Man as Santa, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the top of the Santa hat. We're going to draw him further over towards the left because we just need to leave room for the pom-pom on the right. So we're going to move over. For the top of the hat, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal towards the right. Let's close off the face underneath. So stepping in, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the middle. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, curving this line around and then back in, blending that together. Let's draw in the eyes. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this line up and across towards our hat. And then we're going to leave a gap, lining that up at the same height, replicating that, bringing that over on the right. From the inside point, we're going to curve this line down, bringing that back up on the side. And again, we're going to replicate this on the left-hand side, curving this around and through on the top. Now from the inside, stepping over, we're going to curve this line up and across. And then in the middle again, curving this line over and out on the right. Let's come down from that point. We're going to curve this down and back in. Replicating this on the left-hand side, bringing this down and then back up. Let's draw in the web pattern. So on the top, we're going to arch this line over from eye to eye, moving down, replicating that directly on the bottom. Let's focus on the top first. We're going to draw in a straight line directly in the middle. And then we're going to come across on both sides, drawing in a diagonal line coming out. Now on the bottom, leaving a gap on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal. Let's step over, replicating that again. Let's move across, bringing that out. And then one more time, just flattening that out on the side. Let's continue to draw in the web pattern now. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to start from that point, curving this down and in. Again, bringing that down and over. And then again, curving that out towards the eye. Let's move up again. We're going to curve this line down and up. From that line, curving this down, bringing that back in towards the middle. Again, curving this down and over. And then one more time, curving this over and through towards the eye. Let's drop down on the bottom now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then down this time. Arching this line over right in the center. And then we're just going to bring that up and through on a diagonal on the right. Let's move down underneath our eye, curving that in. We're going to bring this line over and across. Stretching that through right in the center. Again, curving that up and over. And then one more time as we come up towards the right-hand side. Now that we've drawn in Spider-Man's face, we're going to come up for the hat. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to end that on a diagonal. And then we're going to follow this line through. So we're going to curve this all the way around and then down, connecting that together. On the inside here, let's curve this line up. Let's move down, drawing in another curved line, bringing that out. And now we're going to draw in that pom-pom. So from this line, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then from the edge here, we're just going to bring this line all the way around and then down on the left. Now let's draw in the collar. From the center, we're going to curve this line down and up on both sides. Again, from that point, curving this down and through. And then again, we're going to curve this around and then back in. Let's move down for the body now. We're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side. And now we're going to draw in some curved lines as we come in. Again, following that through towards the middle. And then again, curving that in. And then one last time in the middle, just drawing in a nice big curved line. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a rectangle right in the center here for the belt buckle. And then right in the middle, let's replicate that again. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines on the left and right hand side. And then moving underneath, let's replicate that again. Now let's draw in the belt. So we're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then let's move down again, closing that off. Now let's close off the bottom. So we're going to start back on this line, scooping this around and in. We're going to curve this line across towards the middle. Again, curving this over towards the center. And then right in the middle, just drawing in a curved line. Now let's draw in the wrist for the arms. So we're gonna draw in 3 curved lines as we come over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, bringing that up on a diagonal. Now from here, let's curve this back around and in. And then again from each point, continuing to bring this through on a diagonal and over. Let's close off the arms now. So we're just going to curve this line up towards the collar. Let's draw in the hands. So we're going to arch this line up for the thumb. And then again from that point, bringing this back around and in. Now let's draw in the legs. So we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming down towards the bottom. For the bottom of the shoe, just bringing this around, back in. Now let's curve this line up on a diagonal towards the bottom of the body. And then we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines for the top of the boots. And that is it. That's how you draw Spider-Man as Santa. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.